Seven Heavens, hello. That is simply gorgeous. Welcome back to Wally's Warzone. Just a little fun before the unboxing of my new rival called Fate. Reminds me of a Terminator name. Fate 22-100. And yes, it has the Terminator equivalent of Nerf gun, rival Nerf gun, rival foam dart gun bullets. See that? Most accurate. You know what that means? They shoot faster. That didn't take much. So far, she feels pretty sweet. It's kind of dangerous. Get a safety. Let me check out the back specs real quick. Anybody wants to pause any of that, check it out, and read whatever. Oh, I was looking for that. 90 feet per second. Alright. Now, with that information, let's find the best gun to try to compare it to. Or shall I say, challenge it against. There's another Nerf rival over there, but it's more of a rifle-ish. This one. She's the Walmart knockoff. I imagine it's only fair to try both guns with both types of rounds. Alright, the safety here on the Walmart knockoff is right there in the trigger. Apologies for the poor target. This is more of a power test. Not bad. Alright, we're taking the safety off of this gun. Now let's find out if it really is Nerf or nothing. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. The front pops open when you cock it back. Now I don't have to try out the other gun to know which gun is stronger. This is just for fun. You know, I couldn't imagine walking around with it cocked and having the safety on. Honestly, that Terminator round needs some further investigation. Y'all take care and God bless. And be grateful. Yeah, that's pretty hardcore. And that was the unboxing of my rival Fate 22-100.